If you're looking for a way to make an extra income online with affiliate marketing and YouTube, keep watching. You can use YouTube to generate a passive income online, and you won't have to get in front of a camera or create any videos at all. Affiliate marketing on YouTube without making videos is an easy way to earn money even if you're a beginner. There are 3 steps you need to follow. The first step is to select the right product to promote. No matter how good you are at promoting, if you drive traffic to a sales page that doesn't sell, you won't make much money. For the purpose of this video, I will use a ClickBank product as an example. All you need to do is get an affiliate link of a highly converting product. In a previous video, I covered all the steps on how to find a great affiliate product that sells on ClickBank. So I won't cover it here. The link is in the description below if you want to watch that video. I will use this product and promote it on YouTube without making videos. The average sale is $39.98 and the commission I will get for this product is $35.55. If I get 3 sales, I can make over $100 a day. Get the link and then you need to shorten the link. You can use a link shortening service like bit.ly.com. Once you have the affiliate link, how do you do affiliate marketing on YouTube without making videos? Yes, you can get YouTube traffic and I will show you how to do it. The second step is to find popular videos related to your affiliate product. Go to the YouTube search bar and type a keyword related to your affiliate product. Look at recent videos that have a lot of views. The third step is to get traffic to your affiliate links from those YouTube videos. Without traffic, you can't make sales and earn commission. All you need to do is send an email to the owner of the video. Keep watching. I will give you the email template that I use. I will tell you how to find the email address. Most YouTubers have their contact details in the description of the video. Take the email address and write an email. Here is the template you can copy and customize. You can get these slides. The link is in the description below. I will copy the email address and fill in the name, affiliate link, and the price. For this example, I put the amount as $30. You might think that this is a lot, but here's the reasoning. If the video is getting about 500 views each day, let's say about 100 people clicked on the affiliate link, and out of that 100, 10 people went on to buy this product. For each sale, I get a commission of $35. I only need 1 sale to break even. If I get 3 sales a day, that's $100 a day. So to me, it's well worth the investment. Likewise, you can do simple maths for the affiliate product that you chose and set the price. Not everyone will reply, so you need to find at least 10 or more related YouTube videos and email the owners. The more YouTube videos you have the affiliate link, the higher chances you have of making money.